we have Binibini number 23.
Number 23 is Miss Jamaica Arana. She is 16 years old and a high school graduate of Enverga University.
Binibini candidate number 30.
Candidate number 30 is Miss Marian Bustamante, a fresh year hotel and restaurant management graduate, 18 years old and size 5, feet and 6 inches tall.
Candidate number 20.
Candidate number 20 is Ms. Jelian Villarmato. She's a fresh high school at the Yabas Western Academy, 16 years old and residing at Poblacion.
Candidate number 19.
Candidate number 19 is Ms. Carolina Elvira. She's a fresh graduate at Enverga University, Candelaria with associate in hotel and restaurant management, 18 years old.
Candidate number 21.
Candidate number 21 is Ms. Nikki Ong. She is 16 years old, residing at Malabanban Norte, and a fresh high school graduate of Enverga University.
Candidate number 17.
Candidate number 17 is Christine Joy Lopez, a fresh high school graduate of Lady Hijanic Institute and residing at Mahina School.
Candidate number 27.
Candidate number 27 is Ms. Sabrina Lani Icaro. She is 16 years old, a college student of Compton Learning Institute and residing at Poblacion.
Only one spot remaining. It belongs to candidate number 22.
Candidate number 22 is Ms. Elisa Moniz Masivo, a fresh high school graduate at Enverga University, Candelaria, and 16 years old.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Binibini Top 8 2010.